Hey, this is Tim with ATS TV, and today we have
A new product spotlight.
That's right. Hey again, it's Tim, and today we're talking about the Guardian Drain Lock. These things are quite awesome. They actually use a T45 or T40 bit to lock and secure in place. These are going to replace a lot of strainers and make your job a lot easier. Guardian Drain Lock answered the age-old question of what do I do if I'm missing a strainer and I don't know what fits in that slot. It comes in both dome strainer sizes and flat strainer sizes, 2, 3, 4 inch. So what do you do when you're missing a strainer in your store? First thing is probably panic, but no need anymore, and here's why. You don't have to know what the dimension of this is anymore. You only have to worry about the pipe size itself, and the Guardian Drain Lock will take care of the rest. Guardian Drain Lock comes in flat sizes and dome shape sizes. They even make floor grates for Zurn, Josam, and Smith. And here's how easy it is. You put this down into the pipe, take your security bit. As you tighten it, the actual base expands, gripping the pipe and making sure you can't take it out. This makes it secure and it locks in place. Flat strainers are great for any missing floor strainers. Dome strainers, however, work great in both mop sinks and in floor sinks under a 3-compartment sink. As always, come to our website and check out different options we have. It's really easy to navigate. Just go to atssupply.com and you can find these drains and other accessories right there on the page. This has been Tim with a new product spotlight. Come back, see us again. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And as always, please subscribe. This is Tim with ATS TV. Have a great day.